Hello. Today we're going to prepare molar solutions. Okay. We base this question on the equation of molarity. For example, molarity equals moles of solute over liters of the solution. But preparing molar solution simply means is that I want to find the mass needed to make a certain molarity in a solution. So to find the mass, because this is find the molar solution mass needed. To find the mass, I first need to find the moles. And to find the moles, I need to leave this moles of solute alone, which means that I will multiply the molarity times the solution, molarity times solution equals moles of solute. So the question says, find the mass needed to dissolve. I'm going to find the moles first, and then from the moles, find the mass. And it is molarity given to me times liters given to me equals moles of solute. And from this, I will find the mass. Let's look at a sample question. How many grams, looking for mass, how many grams of BaCl2, barium chloride, will, would be needed to dissolve in 1 liter of 0.15 molarity solution? I am given liters, I am given liters, I am given molarity, I am given molarity. So molarity times liters gives me the moles. That's the first thing I'll do probably. Okay, I also need to find the mass eventually, molar mass and so on. So we have to find the moles of the solution. I have the molarity times the liters, which is 1, gives me 0.15 moles of barium chloride. There it is. Molarity times liters. Molarity times liters gives me 0.15 moles of this certain compound. My next step would be to find the molar mass of BaCl2. Okay, and it is 208.23. How do I find that? The mass of 1 barium according to the table, and the mass of 2 chlorines according to the table. So far I found the moles. So far I found the molar mass. My next step would be to find the mass based on that. So I have 0.15 moles times the mass of barium chloride, which is 208.23, divided by 1, which in this case makes no difference. And the answer is 31.23 grams. Back to the top. The question said, find the mass. And I was given molarity, and I was given liters. If I look at the equation, this is the equation originally. Molarity equals moles of solute over liters of solution. I want to find this first, which is moles of solute. Therefore, bring the liters of solution up, and I have molarity times liters of solution to give me moles. That's the first thing I did. I found the moles. Molarity times liters to give me moles. After that, I found the mass of the compound, molar mass. 1 barium plus the mass of 2 chlorines gives me 208.23 grams. From this mass, I found the moles. Moles found times the mass over 1 mole, which is standard, gives me 31.23. Therefore, if the question says find the grams over say the compound given the molarity and the liters, this is how you do it. Sometimes you must see it as preparing molar solutions. I hope this helps you out.